In today's digital world, creating content or products has become more complex than ever. A single idea often requires multiple tools. One for video, another for design, another for development. SeaVerse approaches this problem differently by turning ideas into both an AI-generated video and an AI-generated website using a unified AI native process. I've also included the link in the description, so feel free to check it out. Once you sign up, you'll land on this clean and simple interface. This is where the magic really starts. Right in front of you, you'll see a prompt box, and this single box is where everything happens. You can literally tell it anything you want to create. To begin, let's start with a website. This is where you'll immediately see how easy it is to build a complete website using just simple text. You can write your prompt in English or any other language. There's no coding required at all. No setup, no technical steps, nothing complicated. All you need to do is describe the website you want and explain your expectations directly in the prompt box. So I'll go ahead and add my prompt here, where I explain the type of website I want, along with some specific features I'd like to see. Things like the layout, animations, text style, and a few other details. Once that's done, I simply hit generate, and the AI instantly starts working on the project. Behind the scenes, the platform is handling everything: structure, layout, design logic, and content, without me writing a single line of code. And after just a few moments, the website is ready. Take a look at this. This is the result. It looks clean, professional, and honestly, it's pretty amazing considering it all started from a text prompt. What's even better is that you're not locked into the first version. If you want changes, you don't need to rebuild anything. You just ask. The AI immediately starts updating the design, and after a few moments, the changes are done. You can clearly see how flexible and powerful this workflow is. This is the kind of creative freedom that makes AI native tools so exciting. Now let's create another website. I'll add a new prompt here, describe a different idea, and hit generate again. The AI starts working instantly, and after a short moment, the new website is ready. Just like that. One idea, one prompt, and a fully usable result. You can also directly publish your website from here, turning it into a real usable output instead of just a concept or mock-up. Now let's test another feature. This time, I'll switch over to video creation. I'll add my video prompt here, including full details like the concept, tone, video style, language, and other creative instructions. Once everything is set, I hit generate. The AI begins processing the request, and after a few moments, the video is ready. Let me play this for you so you can see the result. And just to show one more example, I'll add another video prompt, completely different from the first one. I hit generate again, wait a few seconds, and the new video is ready. This clearly shows how fast and flexible the platform is when it comes to experimenting with ideas. This is what an AI native workflow really looks like. One platform, one prompt-based interface, and the ability to create websites and videos end-to-end, without switching tools, without coding, and without traditional production barriers. If you want to explore this platform yourself, I've added the official SeaVerse link in the description, so feel free to check it out. Try it, experiment with your own ideas, and see how far a single prompt can take you. If you found this useful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share